Bit of a surprise this week. I've come travelling and I've come up to a place. I've come up to see Dave Sharp and we're going to have a day out with the eagles, and I'm just going to fly little Henry, the Hares hawk, first of all, and then we're going to have a lovely day out with the eagles, maybe a redtail, hunting hares. Cold, but it's been a lot of rain up here, but at the moment it's stopped raining, so gonna have a great day. We'll see Dave in a minute and have a little chat. How you doing, Dave?
I'm alright, a bit cold, isn't it?
It's really cold today.
So
but,
you're going to fly Henry for me quickly, aren't you, before we go out with the eagles?
Yeah.
That's the plan. But I don't know what you've got on your head.
He's a beauty.
He's a beauty, so we'll give him away. He's very small, so he was started off at £1 3 ounces, which is absolutely, he's got a mess on his head, which is absolutely ludicrous, but he's up to £1 6 now, so I want to see what he's like with you.
He's
sort of strange
feet.
Danger.
He's got some big feet on him.
He's got some big feet, and I'll tell you what,
yeah.
We do the dummy bunny,
yeah.
Obviously shows and displays.
Yep.
And he's dynamite, drag squirrel, anything like that. So Tommy's might take him rabbiting just before the end of the season, just to see what he does. But
yeah.
He's certainly keen to chase. But he was a winter hatch one, so he got damp yesterday. But he's come out now. When he's preen, he looks beautiful. But he hatched in the winter, and all of his tail feathers grew really damp and horrible. So we had sort of a late summer molt, and he's been molting and resting all winter. But he's come back a more mature. Because he was damp, he looks like quite scruffy. He's come back a much more mature. He seems a lot more sensible, so we'll see how he goes.
He actually looks like Woody.
They're all slightly different. A shrunken Woody. I put his hood on in a box, and I didn't strike the braces, and he got it off, and he's pulled all the braces out like he was chewing it in the box, and he had it on his glove. So this one's too big, but I've got to get Emily to fiddle around and fix the other one now.
I'll tell you what, Dave, you certainly got a good knack there, hooding.
Nice when I hooded him then, Pete, I thought, you're filming, this has got to be good. So I went quick. So he is just over £1 6 ounces. Bearing in mind, he's really small, and he was down to £1 3.5 last summer. And if I'm honest, his training went really easily, but he was kind of a bit useless for a Hares hawk. So even when we had summer shows, he'd sit in a tree and be a bit nervous at the people. He was really like, not as Hares hawk as you want a Hares hawk to be. Stuff that most Hares hawks take in their stride if they train in that environment. He was a bit slow, and at £1 3.5 he was quite sharp set, which again you don't normally have a Hares hawk like that, do you? You know, they normally fly with a good chest. Yeah. And he has been good, so we'll see if he'll fly to yourself. He hasn't flown for 2 days because it's been pouring rain, and I haven't needed to fly him, but we'll see. And I still need to fit a trolley mount. Need to have a leg mount, which I know he's only little, he's just have a little micro. Okay, thank you. Right, we're going to cut this bit out.
Okay, we've cut.
He's going to have Have I got to take your hood off for this? He's going to have a little. Honestly,
He's got tickly feet.
Honestly.
How are we doing?
Not very well. How are you?
All right.
How are we doing, mate?
Yeah, good.
Is he ready? No, you're getting ready.
You're all right?
Put it in my head and you van then.
Is he ready?
Are you okay? So, Pete's going to fly Henry because this bird's an experienced day bird, a show bird, and a school hall flying bird. Really, it's part of my owl talk, strange enough. So Pete's going to fly him because if you just fly a bird, any bird really, on your own all the time, they often very much don't want to fly to a stranger, and his job is to do that. Now he's getting on this year with the staff, but Pete's never flown him, so we'll see what he'll do. He's a little bit sticky-footed, Pete, so I do tend to hold the jesses and launch him off once he's finished eating his pickup bit.
All right from here?
Yeah, anywhere around these sort of trees, all the way down to the bottom and back, really. Slightly large hood. Oh yeah, so he's at a higher weight and you're a stranger, so that'll be interesting.
There you go.
Yeah, there he goes. He was like, who the heck's that, weren't he then? That was quite funny.
He did have a little freak out.
Yeah, he did. He was like, oh. So we'll see. Just a nice little tree line. Maybe we've hit his ceiling. That's it. We'll be right. Woodpecker. Little swine. Yeah, so he's a bit of like bad habits there. So he goes. So they've been doing okay with me at £1.6, but that's going to be his top end then, because obviously at this weight, the way he's been perfect with me, and he's slow, isn't he? And he's worried, so he's not going to be any good at a summer show at this weight. So he's probably about maybe £1.5 we'll get away with, but he's so small. Never known anything like it. You'll be alright in a minute, but when you're doing the summer shows, when you do the summer shows, because it's warmer, they're not as keen anyway, obviously. Yeah, but so what I do, I go like that and cast him off. So it's a signal, and I'll throw him then, that's it. I need to get him used to the fact that when he's being carried, he doesn't go when he wants to.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Just see how you get on. But he's definitely too fat. I mean,
yeah.
if he doesn't cub, sometimes I just walk up and call him.
Okay. He's looking at you. He's fat with me.
If he absolutely doesn't come, you have to just call him to a chick and call him up and do it.
Yeah, okay. He's following you, Dave. I'll go over there, it's alright. So, little Henry here doesn't know me, and Dave's walked off, so he was looking at Dave.
It just shows how when they're in their comfort zone,
Yeah.
but when they're out of it, the weight's too high, isn't it?
Yep. A stranger. No, he's not. He's following you. He's watching you, Dave. Well, we've got Henry back. It's just the fact that he's not used to me. Although the weight's alright with Dave, it's not alright with me. So I think Dave's going to take it down a little bit, because this is going to be flown by the public. So he needs to have just a little drop off. But yeah, we got him back alright. It's just, you can just see the weight was a little bit up. But it's a beautiful hawk. So there's little Henry having his breakfast. Beautiful place. Okay, that's the Hares hawk. Now we're going to go and see the eagles and possibly a redtail. A redtail that is super fit. So this is a beautiful female redtail. Look at that, what a beauty. What's the name of this one?
Ruby.
Ruby. And I have seen her fly on Dave's channel, and she's tremendous. So you've really got her fit. And
Yeah, she's very fit.
yeah.
I'm trying to fly her every day, just for training purpose, just around my neighborhood, from tree to tree, to build her shape.
Right.
And her natural instincts are so focused on this what she's trying to catch.
Yes.
She's using all the power of all her fitness in the hunting.
She's
to
really
just
pumped
chase.
her wings, then she?
Oh,
I've seen it. It's amazing.
She's
You've done well
she's
there with
chaser,
that.
yeah?
But what a beauty! Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Stunning, eh? Yeah. We'll have a good day, won't we, today?
Hopefully,
Good, yeah.
Hopefully we'll catch something.
He's fast asleep.
What's a beauty? So,
Bird's
Kyle-
not bad either, is it, Pete?
No, I was on about you. What about the bird? What's the bird's name?
Stan.
Stan.
Hey, he just woken up.
What
Fast
what
asleep.
sort of weight we at?
He's about £7, 11 and a half, £7.12 this morning.
Ah, what a beauty.
Little bit
Absolutely
damp, but
stunning. Well, good luck.
Thank you very much. Good luck, Stan. See what happens.
Let's have a good day. Yeah, good.
Where's your Jesse, mate? What have you done with it?
So this is Zeus. Kieran's flying Zeus today. There we go. Look at that for a beautiful golden eagle.
There we go. He's ready to go.
Lovely. So hopefully we'll have some success today, Kieran. eh?
Plan. Nearly had a muntjac last week, so
Right.
we'll see how it goes this week.
Yeah. Well, we'll have a good day anyway, won't we? Whatever happens.
Of
Get
course,
out and
yep.
Trod the muddy fields.
That's it, yeah. Walking down moon boots.
Just a tiny bit lower. Not like you go the other way round. So what they know if you touch up on the tumbler, it'll even try and go airborne anyway. That's the thing. So you this is not risky. Well done.
So the eagles are up there in the field and we're going to beat through this wood now. So this is extremely hard work. We've walked miles over this really clay soil. And there's been a few slips, but the hares are so quick it's quite rare to actually get a good flight on one or a good catch. So the hares have got a great chance. It's easier to carry Woody. I don't know if I can get through here. I can't get through here. Hey.
So we've got a front. There's another one just down there. I think they're going for now. They're heading right towards one, just in front of them. Just in front. It's probably about. No, it's gone. It's just ran as well. And so just run. No. Just run. Probably about 20 metres in front of them. Right close now. There it goes. There it goes. Just ran.
Look how fast that is. Wow, nice, Steve. It's like you're jumping up. So we go attack that. Where does everything around here? So if we go to that gap.
That hare running at us. Yeah.
£8.8.
£8.8. Woody's £1.9.5. This feels heavy. I can see why I've got a Hares hook.
Bit of a difference, yeah.
Tramping across these fields.
It's hard work, it's not easy.
ready.